Hi, in front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose the Bluetooth and device connection and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher, tap Pair New Device, and wait for available ones to show up. Now tap on the one that you want to connect to and wait. Click Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!